ka-SOULvemates, ito na nga yung video yung inaabangan ng mga ilan sa inyo, yung part 2 ng first educational video na ginawa natin last time. Yung quadratic functions or transforming quadratic functions. This time, I will also be talking about how do you transform quadratic functions into vertex form, wherein the two variables or the two formulas there are not given, like the h and k. So there are those who are asking kasi. Now, I will be showing you without those two formulas, we can still transform it into its vertex form. That will be the first part of my video. The second part will be the vice versa of this solution, wherein we will be transforming the vertex form into its general form. So, baligtad naman. So, if you want to learn something today and you want to know more about quadratic functions or transforming quadratic functions, keep on watching this video, mga ka-SOULvemates. So, let's start. Let's start learning.
Welcome to SOULvemates Learning Channel, where you can study, learn, and have fun at the same time. A channel that helps, assists, and will make learning easy for you. If you are new here, kindly click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell for you to be updated all the time. You can also click the like button and comment down the lessons that you want to be discussed with me. If you'll find this video helpful, help me share this with your friends. I am your teacher Marvy, your forever marvelous SOULvemate.
Alright, so we will be transforming quadratic functions. This is actually the part 2 of my first educational lesson or video. So, there are times that you forgot the two formulas of h and k. In the last video that I gave you or that I have uploaded, I gave the formula for h and k. Now this time, what if we do not know the formulas? So this is how you do it, but be sure that you memorize your concept of completing the square. Now let's start solving it. Your f of x is equal to y. F of x is also y. X squared plus 10x minus 4. Next is, we need to transfer negative 4 to the other side of the equation. You can do the transposition, that is the easiest way, or you can do the addition property of equality. So, you add 4 to the both side of your equation in order for you to remove this. This will become 0. So, x squared plus 10x. Now, in this part, we will do the completing the square. Now, you have to recall how do you complete the square. So, you have y plus 4 is equal to x squared plus 10x. We will be completing this, meaning to say we will make this a perfect trinomial. How? So, you get your middle term. To get the number here, you need to half your middle term and square it. So, 10 over 2, that is 5, square it, that is 25. So, we will be adding 25 there. Since we added 25 here, we need to add also 25 in this part. So, you have now y plus 29 is equal to x squared plus 10x plus 25. The next thing that we're going to do is to come up with a vertex form. So, in this part, we need to square this. Squaring this will result to x plus 5 square. The number here is just the answer here. Then square it. So y plus 29. Now, finishing this one will be, let's transfer this again to the other side. So you have y is equal to x plus 5 square. This will become minus 29. So this is now your vertex form. Let's rewrite it. Y is equal, y or f of x equals x plus 5 square minus 29. That's the vertex. That's the vertex form of this form without using the formula of your h and k. This time, as you can see, our given problem here is in its vertex form. Now, we will be changing it into your general form. So, it's the vice versa of our part 1. So, how do we do that? Let's say this is your y. And that is your x plus 4 square minus 16. Now, in this lesson, you should know or you should have mastered your squaring of your binomial. So how do we do that? You can use the FOIL method, because when we say x plus 4, that means x plus 4 squared, that means x plus 4 times x plus 4. But if you do not know the rule in squaring binomials, you can do your FOIL method. You can do your FOIL there. But if you know it, it would be useful for you. So how do you do that? Square your first term. Meaning to say x times x, that's x squared. The next term will be twice the product of your first term and the last term. So, plus twice the product, x times 4, that's 4x. Twice the product of your first term and your last term. And then, square your last term, which is 4 squared. And then minus 16. Now, let's simplify it further. You have x squared is x squared. 2 times 4, that is 8x. Plus 16 minus 16. So, your y here, or your f of x, will be, simplifying this will be 0. So, x squared plus 8x. This is now your general term.